Today, I'm going to show you how to clean up the dried leaves from the banana after the winter. Hello guys, today we're gonna clean up some of these bananas, my remaining bananas to clean up. This one is done. So it's welcoming the spring and the summer. On summer, they bloom and have tropical greenery leaves on the bananas. And this is done. Here are the dried leaves. And this is the last one. So I'll show you how to clean up. So let's go. I use cordless saw to cut the bananas that I want to trim or I want to throw away. So let's try this one or this one. See? There you go. Just the hand saw. And then you're gonna take off the leaves with the scissors like this. Just cut it. There you go. And just right there. And you can cut this trunk into pieces. It's the same thing. Use the hand saw. See? There you go. And you can throw that into the trash can. See, it's cut into small pieces. And also for this remaining bananas that you don't want, for the bananas that you don't want to cut, you just use the scissors to trim the dried leaves. I put jute ties because these jute ties will just decompose, and when the trash truck will pick up, it will just decompose in the trash. Want the puppies to come back, the one that you cut, just chop it like this. Chop that trunk. Like this. It will not come back. Or take it out from the ground like this. See, this one from the ground. To clean the side of the fence and take out the young bananas in this side of the fence, because it can damage the root and the trunk. The banana can damage the fence. So you have to clean that space right there.
Lah, tigbasa na. Tigbasa na.
Chuchu!
Yay!
Saging! Let's go eat! Tara!
Saging ako.
Tripan dyan naman yung saging. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.